Hello students, this is Mr. Weirman and I'm just going to give you a short video on how to navigate the Cells Alive website. If you're watching this, and obviously you're able to navigate to the Chapter 7 folder under the class handouts section, will be this assignment, Cells Alive tutorial. You can go to cellsalive.com or you can just click on this link right here. You're going to want to have 2 pages open. Alright, so if we click on the link, it's going to take us to this cell models page. Now, I'm going to go back to this. This is the introductory information. This introductory information is really answered on 3 separate pages. So start here at cell model, and this introductory blue text will answer some of the questions in here, some of the statements in here. And then when you click on plant animal cell, we're going to go to this. Some of this reading in here, this blue text, will answer some of this general information. And then under the bacteria cell, some of this general information right here is found, right, will answer these questions here. So you find the answer to all 3 from all 3 pages to get this information here. Let's go back to plant animal cell. Start the animation. That would be this. If I start this, it's going to take me to my choice of plant or animal cell, and I'm going to choose animal cell. Now here's a generalized animal cell. You'll note if I move around, it highlights different parts and it applies the labels. Right? Down here are all these different parts. Some of these you need to know, some of you don't. Some of them you don't. If I select a part, let's say I select this thing right here. Oh, let's pick this one. If I pick this thing, the mitochondrion, and I select on that, it clicks to this. It shows me an individual picture of one, and then there's some text in here that I can read. It's down in here where you would summarize that information, right? Say anywhere between 1 to 3 sentences of its information. Please don't copy and paste. Anyone can do that. Write it in your own words. Keep it short, 1 to 2 sentences, write it in your own words. If I click this, it takes me back to the cell diagram, and then I can figure out what this is, or what this is, or what these are. As long as I click on those, then I'm going to go to one of these things here. That's going to tell me all about it. I could also do this. If I click on the cell membrane, right, then it tells me where it is, or the centrosome, or where that is, or the lysosome, what that is. Then I can click on that. So this page and the subsequent links from the animal cell will answer and fill in all of this information here, right? Nope, I tell a lie. Let me back that up. All of this information here will be found in the eukaryotic cell, which is either this page, the animal cell, or the plant cell. So here's a plant cell. Some of these parts that are here are also found in the animal cell. Like for instance, we see the nucleus and the nucleolus. Those are both found in the animal cell, nucleus and nucleolus. Some parts are found only in animal cells, some parts are found only in plant cells. You want to make note of that here. So all of these and all of these are answered by referencing either the animal cell or the plant cell. Now if I go back to, I can return to the organelle overview, and that's going to take me here. That's eukaryotic cells, plant and animal cells. Again, that would get me through this. And here's the section on bacteria. I'm going to do this. There's the link to get to the bacteria cell. Again, I click start the animation. And then you're going to see half of a gram-positive bacteria, half of a gram-negative bacteria, and then there's all those cell parts as well. So this page answers these questions here. Lastly, super fast, we want to fill in the parts. You can tell that this is an animal cell, this is a plant cell. Reference the animal cell animation to fill this in, reference the plant cell animation to fill this in. I fill it in by simply double clicking the box. I've just clicked that box twice, and it's going to open up this drawing. Give it just a second to load. You'll see the picture load up. And then if I want to fill in this, I double click that and I type in what it is. I double click this and I type in what it is. I double click this and I type in what it is. Again, you can navigate back and forth between the Cells Alive tutorial and this. When you're all done and those are all typed in, save and close, and then you can submit it. Hopefully this helps. Any questions? Don't hesitate to email.